So with few natural ingredients, I'm going to share with you how to make a drink that will help to get rid of stress. This is a very powerful stress remover. Just keep on watching. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for stopping by. If you are new here for the first time, you are so welcome. Consider subscribing, turn on the bell so that whenever I upload videos, you get notified. So with few ingredients, natural ingredients, I'll be sharing with you how to make this drink. Okay, make a drink that will help to get rid of stress from the body. Stress is a very bad thing, very deadly. It can cause premature aging. It can lead to high blood pressure. You have to take care of yourself by taking this drink that will not cost you too much, purely natural, without any side effects. So with few ingredients, okay, you have to get, first thing you have to get is warm milk. So this is warm milk. Milk is a protein, and this protein in it has a calming effect. It has a calming effect in the body when you take it, helping to lower blood pressure and reduces cortisol level. Yes, this is just going to calm your nerves. Anything stress, anything hot flash, anything like depression, it will be suppressing it. With consistent taking of this drink, it will get rid of it. It will suppress it until you have no stress anymore. It also makes you sleep better. If you take a glass of milk, especially before you go to bed, if you had a very stressful day, you will see that you wake up feeling very great. And also for those that find it difficult to go to bed, maybe they always take, those that depend on medication before they can sleep, just go for milk. Milk contains lactic acid as well that will help to repair all your body system, keeping you healthy from within. Another healthy one we're going to add into the milk, into that warm milk, is green tea. So here is green tea. I love all these ingredients. I don't joke with it. Green tea is a powerful antioxidant that your body needs to fight free radical damage that makes you age faster. It suppresses stress in the body. The level of stress in your body will be reduced as you are taking green tea mixed with milk. It's going to do a great job. Green tea is also very high in amino acid that helps to reduce anxiety. Yes, this is very, very important for everyone. You have to get used to taking green tea. It's a very powerful antioxidant that will help so well to reduce stress level in your body, keeping you healthy, stronger, and also combating aging signs like wrinkles, fine lines. You feel younger and look younger as well. When you get a very hot or warm milk, you have to open the sachet. Just open it, okay? Just open the sachet of green tea. Bring out the tea bag. Then you have to insert it into the warm milk or hot milk. This is to infuse the green tea content out of the tea bag. Okay, just keep it for about 1 or 2 minutes. Then you just bring out the tea bag. Mix this drink very well. Okay, by that time the green tea must have infused properly into this milk. Very healthy drink that you need. So mix it, just mix it very well. Mix. If you want to take it to get rid of stress, okay, like if you experience stress a lot, when you come back, take it 2 times a day, like 2 glasses a day. If you want to make more than a glass, please increase the quantity of all the ingredients. Get 2 glasses of milk, warm milk. Then you have to insert 2 tea bags. 1 tea bag for 1 glass of milk. Remember, so just like that, just increase the quantity if you want to produce more. So that is it. So just as you wake up early morning, take a glass of this drink. Take it before you eat. Then 30 minutes, then you can go ahead and take your breakfast. So this is just going to repair all your body system, calm your nerves, relaxing your nerves, combating those stress, removing stress from your body. And stress can also lead to depression, which can be deadly. So take this drink to stay healthy, take this drink to live longer, take this drink to get rid of high blood pressure, which can affect you greatly. In the evening as well, take a glass before you go to bed, and you never regret it. So if you want to take care of yourself, you want to look younger and younger all the time, take this drink once daily, every day. A glass daily will go a long way to take care of you, to fight free radical damage in the body, and make you stay healthy, stay in shape, and look and feel younger. So take this drink to get rid of stress. Take it to sleep better. Yes, you will have a lovely night. You will never regret it. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel. Share this video to everyone. I will see you in my next video.